Hello students, how are you? Hope that all of you are fine. So in my current video of the spreadsheet, I'll explain you that how to create a new file, how to open an existing file, how to save an existing file, and how to use a save as button. Clear? So let's start. So for that purpose, first I'll start the Excel. I directly write down the Excel in the search menu. So it shows me that Microsoft Excel 2007. I press enter here, and here comes the screen. So here this one is the title. You can see that book 1 is there. So first I'll use a save button, and a dialog box appear. I save my file of Excel, this file in my folder with the name of Excel. It is there or not? No. I'll create a new folder, and I may give a name to that folder Excel, and inside this I save my file. I give the name to the file. So it is my first file, FIRST first. I'll give the name first. So save as. So now I saved the file, and you can see that the title has been changed. Now the title of this workbook become first. Clear? So, and this workbook is by default having how many sheets? 3 sheets. Clear? These are the 3 sheets in this workbook of Excel. So this is the use of the save button. Now if I want to create a new file, so what I have to do? So I click on this button, new button, a dialog box appear. Now I want a blank workbook. Click on create. Now you can see that a new workbook is created. By default the name becomes book 2. The book 1 is already created, and I have changed the name using a save button. Now a book 2 is there. I'll again click on save button, and the first one is there. I'll give the name second to this, second, and save. So the title become changed. So this is the use of new button. Now open. If I want to open an already existing file, suppose I close the files. I have written something here, hello FIRST first work book, and I expand this column size. So hello workbook, I'll give the color to this one yellow, and I save this, and I close this one. So how to open this file? For that purpose I again Excel, we can open, or directly we go to the place where that file is saved. I double click on that one, and it opens in the, so that way I also explain you. So right now we are using this open button, and you can see that it is showing us a tooltip in which a Ctrl+0 is the shortcut of open. So a dialog box appear. Now go to the directory folder drive where the file is Excel, and we click on the first open, and the file is there. So that this way we can open the existing files in Excel. Another way is there, we directly go to the folder where that file is there, and that folder is in the D drive Excel, and I directly click on this, double click on that file, and it opens. This way we can also open. Now the last thing is in this video left, that is the use of save as. So it is up to you that which one you want to use, save or save as. First basically. Second, if we want to save another copy of the same file, we can use save as. I click on this Excel. So first one is there. I want another copy of this, and I want to save in the some other drive. You can give the address of that file. Likewise D drive is there. You want to change the drive, you can change the drive also. But I want to make another copy of this file. That's why I use the option save as. So I give here name third, THIRD, third to this one. So this is the basic difference between save and save as. So save as, whenever we use, always it creates we can create another copy, or we override the already named copy. So save button, whenever we make any changes in the current file, we click save button, we click on save. so that the changes become permanent in this current file workbook. Clear? This is the difference between save and save as. If we want to save with the another name, likewise Excel 97 to 2003, it is 2007. If I want to open this file in a earlier version, likewise 2003 or 97 or any other version, so we can convert this file in this format. So we choose this format, I click on this. So here you can see that automatically the file I can open in 97 or 2003 version. So the lower versions, if I want to open the upper version file, so I can open this. So save, give the same name, there is no problem in this, but we see the extension of this file here. We can see that this one is developed in 2007, this one is 2007, this one is 97 to 2003 versions, or any other version is in between. So my file I can open in 2003. If I am having a 2003 office, I can open this file, but this I can't open because it is in the 2007 version. So I need a 2007 or a higher version of this one. 2010 is there, 2016 is there, 2019 is there. Clear? So this is all about in this video regarding the Excel. In the next video I'll explain you the formulas and we will start working. So keep watching and wait for the next video. Thanks a lot.